Look for this switch on the side of your seat. Simply slide it forward or backward and the seat will move in that direction. Push down or pull up on the switch to move the seat up or down, or to adjust the angle of the seat. To recline the seat, push this switch backward until you achieve the desired position. To bring the back upright, push the switch forward. The lumbar support feature provides lower back support to the driver. Use this switch to adjust the lumbar support. Pull up on this bar to slide the second row seats forward or backward. Pull up on this lever and lean back to recline the second row seats, or lean forward to bring the seat upright. Push this button to move the seat forward for entry, and this button for exit. The second row seats can also be folded forward for maximum cargo hauling. First, stow the seatbelts in the seatbelt hooks. Then lift up on this lever to fold the seat back down. To return the seats to a seating position, lift up on this lever and push up on the upper seat back until it latches in place. Pull up on this latch and lean back to recline the third row seats, or lean forward to bring the seat upright. The third row seats can also be folded forward for maximum cargo capacity. First, pull this strap to release the head restraints headrests. Then stow the seat belts in the seatbelt hooks. Pull up on this latch to lower the seat back forward. Pull the straps to raise each seat back and make sure it locks into position. Then pull back on the head restraints headrests until they latch in the upright position. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.